Hello, what follows is a quick overview of the concept of fraction busting, the way of getting rid of fractions in equations in the first step so that you don't have to work with them for the rest of the problem until the end usually. So take this specific equation. It shows that there are fractions with denominators of 5 and 3. So I need to think of a number that both 5 and 3 go into, and the smallest one I can think of is 15, 5 times 3. So I choose to multiply both sides by 15. Now this extra step, a lot of students don't often show it, but I think it's worthwhile, especially if you find yourself struggling. If you get all the warm-up activities wrong, maybe this is why, because you're skipping steps and making mistakes along the way. So what I do is I actually distribute the 15 without multiplying it. So I indicate all the things that are being multiplied by 15. The trickiest one is here, because this is 2/5 times a number, x plus 4, times 15. I just rewrite it, 15 times 2/5 times x plus 4. All three of these need to be multiplied together, but the order that you use is going to determine whether this is easy or challenging, right or wrong. So first, though, I'm going to look at the 5 divided into 15 3 times, and 3 into 15 5 times, and 5 into 15 3 times. Then I do 3 times 1x is 3x, 5 times 1 is 5, 3 times 2 is 6, and notice I have yet to distribute into the x plus 4. I just took care of 15 times 2/5. 2/5 out of 15 is 6. Then I distribute the 6, and this becomes an elementary equation to solve. It should be pretty straightforward from this point forward. I didn't solve the equation, and I didn't go over here and check my work because I was asked to just review the concept of fraction busting, so that's what I did. There is the example. Here's another example. Once again, we look at the 2 and the 3, all the denominators combined, and think of a number that both 2 and 3 divide into. In this case, 6 is the smallest number I can think of. I distribute the 6 into everything before I do any multiplication at all. On the left-hand side, we can see we're going to divide out. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 3 times 7x is 21x. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 3 times 1 is 3. On the left-hand side, 2/3 of 6 is 4. Should be obvious, but of course I can do it by dividing 3 into 6 and then multiplying the result. Notice again, I didn't distribute the 4, the 2/3 of 6. I'll do that the next step. And once again, a rudimentary equation should be straightforward from this point forward. I hope you find that helpful. Have a great day.